Udvartana, Utsadana and Udgharshana. Udvartana. Udvartana is a specialized external therapeutic procedure described in Ayurveda in which the body is massaged with herbal powders. The term Udvartana can be split as Urdhva and Vartanam. Urdhva means upward, Vartana means to move. Udvartana thus means to move something in an upward movement. Massage is done in a direction opposite to that of body hairs which point downwards, that is Pratiloma Gati. It is one of the important procedures included in Panchakarma and is mainly indicated for reducing aggravated kapha and meda, that is body fat. Indications of Udvartana: Staulya, Atistulata, Medovruddhi, Prameha, Madhumeha, Madhumehajanya Vatavyadi, Suptata, Padadaha, Tvak Parushata, Tvak Sputana, Ekakushta, Kitibakushta, Santarpanotta Vyadhi, Medodushti, Alasya, Tandra, Atinidra, Anidra, Nidranasha, Glani, Gauravam. Benefits of Udvartana. According to Ashtanga Vridaya Sutrasthana, 2nd chapter, Udvartanam Kapaharam Medasaha Pravilapanam Sthirikaranam Tvak Prasadakaram Param. According to Charaka Sutrasthana, 5th chapter, Daurgandhyam Gauravam Tandra Kandu Malam Arochakam Sveda Bibhatsatam Hanti Sharira Parimarjanam. According to Sushruta Chikitsasthana, 24th chapter, Udvartanam Vataharam Kapha Medo Vilapanam Sthirikaranam Anganam Tvak Prasada Karam Param. Kaphaharam reduces aggravated kapha dosha. Medasaha Pravilapanam helps to reduce body fat. Sthirikaranam Anganam improves firmness and tone of the body. Tvak Prasadakaram enhance skin health, complexion and smoothness. Procedure of Udvartana in Purvakarma: preparation of the patient and preparation for the treatment. Preparation of the patient: the patient is thoroughly examined, the Prakruti and Vikruti are documented in detail, the disease is also examined, the treatment lineup, materials and medicines which need to be used are enlisted. It is confirmed if the patient is fit to undergo Udvartana treatment or not. Preparation for the treatment: materials needed for the treatment are collected beforehand. They are: for Abhyanga, massage with herbal oil, Taila suitable to the disease and deceased are collected and stored beforehand. Powders for Udvartana: Kola Kulattadi Churna, Kulatta Churna, Kottam Chukkadi Churna, Trifala Churna, Trifaladi Churna, rock salt, Ishtika Churna. Some more formulations for Udvartana: Mocharasa Churna, Samudra Fena Churna, powder of Mocharasa and Samudra Fena, Haritaki Valkala, Karpuradi Churna. Pradhana Karma: position the patient comfortably on the massage table in a suitable posture. Select the appropriate herbal powder according to patient's dosha, disease and strength. The herbal powder is taken in a bowl. It is rubbed over the body in a reverse direction or opposite to the direction of the body hairs from below upwards in a synchronous way. In the upper limbs, the powder is rubbed from the hands upwards towards the shoulders, covering synchronous massage over the forearms and arms. In the lower limbs, the powder is stroked from foot upwards towards the hip, covering synchronous massage over the legs, thighs and buttocks. Over the abdomen, the powder is massaged synchronously in clockwise direction altered with anti-clockwise direction. Rubbing from below upwards, left to right and right to left strokes are intervened for better results. Below upwards, intervened with side to side strokes, that is left to right and right to left direction for better results. Covering the back, the powder is rubbed upwards starting from the sacroiliac area to the upper back area, passing through mid back. Side to side strokes can be given with gentle pressure in the space between vertebra. Over the neck, light strokes are given between collarbone to chin and shoulder blade to the lower border of occiput. Care should be given not to put pressure because important blood vessels supplying and draining the brain and head are making their journey through neck. Udgarshana. This is done on similar lines of Udvartana, covering all the 7 postures, but the materials used for rubbing are different. In this, more coarse materials like brick powder, powder of Rita, etc. are used. Utsadana. Utsadana is a gentler form of Udvartana. It is also done on the same lines of treatment, covering all the 7 postures, but rubbing or stroking is made using paste of herbal powders made by mixing them with medicated oils or ghee. Since it is for beautification, more caution should be taken by the mashers while conducting Utsadana. Facial massage is also done with the paste prepared with special drugs which bring a glow to the face and improve complexion following the logic of Udvartana. Paschat Karma. Remove the powder or paste from the body, Snana with warm water, Abhyanga if indicated, take light warm diet, advise short rest and avoid cold exposure. Types of Udvartana. There are two types of Udvartana, Snigdha and Ruksha. Snigdha is called as Utsadana, Ruksha is called as Udgharshana. Utsadana. Sasneha Kalkena Udgharshanam Utsadanam. Dalhana commentary Sushruta Chikitsa Sthana 24th chapter 52 shloka. In Utsadana, the powders of medicated drugs are mixed with Sneha so as to make a paste. This paste is rubbed over the body in a reverse direction. Indications of Udvartana: Vata Prakopa, Durbalata, Anga Shaitilya, Vedana Yuktavastha, Tvak Rukshata, Tvak Vaivarna, Tvak Prasadanartha, Tvak Rukshata, Vata Prakriti or Vata Vikruti. Udgharshanam. Asneha Aushada Churnadibihi Gharshanam Udgharshanam. Dalhana Sushruta Chikitsa Sthana 24th chapter 52nd shloka. Rubbing the powders of medicinal drugs over the body without the addition or mixture of oil or ghee is called Udgharshanam. Indications of Udgharshana: Kapha Prakopa, Balavan, Rauksha Kamaha, Medo Vriddhi, Gaurava, Stamba, Shaitya, Katinata, Kleda Vriddhi, Tvak Snehadikyam, Atisveda, Kapha Prakriti, Shishira Rutu, Anupadesha, Durgandha, Alasya, Tandra, Glani, Kandu, Atikandu. Difference between Udvartana, Udgharshana and Utsadana. Definition: in Udvartana, rubbing the body with powder in upward direction against the hair follicles. In Udgharshana, rubbing the body with dry powders without adding any oily substance. In Utsadana, scraping or rubbing the body with powders mixed with oily substance in upward direction. Dravyas: in Udvartana, dry powders having Ruksha, Laghu, Tikshna gunas, example Kola Kolattadi Churna. In Udgharshana, dry powders used without adding any oily substance. In Utsadana, powders mixed with oily substance like oil, ghee, fat, medicated oils, etc. Method: in Udvartana, powder is applied and rubbed firmly in upward direction all over the body. In Udgharshana, body is rubbed with hands or rough materials in upward direction. In Utsadana, body is scraped or rubbed with hard or rough object in upward direction. Pressure: Udvartana, moderate to strong pressure. In Udgharshana, mild to moderate pressure. In Utsadana, strong pressure. Dosha effect: Udvartana, Kapha Medahara. Udgharshana, Kafahara. In Utsadana, Kapha Medohara. Indications: in Udvartana, Staulya, Medoroga, Kafaja Vyadhi, Gaurava, Alasya, Atisveda. In Udgharshana, Gaurava, Alasya, Kafaja Vyadhi, Stamba, Srotoroda. In Utsadana, Atistaulya, Medo Vriddhi, Stavara, severe Kapha disorders, Srotoroda, Granthi, etc. Thank you.